Hey everybody, it's Kurt Warner. I'm the network analyst here in the East St. Louis School District, and today I'm here to talk to you about our new help desk system powered by SchoolDude. Let's go ahead and jump right in. There are several ways to access our new help desk system. You can go to the East St. Louis website, you can use Clever, or on a district computer, just go to the icon that says Help Desk and double click and it will take you to the login. Once you've double clicked the icon, you'll be taken to a sign-in page that looks like this. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your East St. Louis email address, click Next, enter the password, and click Sign In. Then you'll be redirected to the SchoolDude application. Now that we're logged in, we're taken to the ticket creation screen. This is where we're going to enter the details that are needed to process your help desk ticket. Please note that any fields with an asterisk are going to be required. So let's go ahead and create a fictitious ticket. Let's start with work type. I am going to choose phone. Now you'll notice when I selected phone, an additional questionnaire populated here at the bottom of the page. This is information that the technology department needs to process your help desk, so it needs to be filled in. Then we're going to select our location at the BOE, and I'm going to select my room, which is 212. In here, I'm going to enter a description of what's going on. My voicemail does not work. I'll enter my extension, and then I'll hit Create Ticket. The ticket has been created. Once your help desk is created, you're taken to the My Ticket section. This will have an overview of all tickets that you have opened and their current status and priority. Let's take a look at that last ticket that we just opened. We're going to click the pencil icon to edit. Once you click Edit, you're taken into the overview of the ticket that you just created. It has all the information you entered, plus now you have the ability to enter additional information. It also gives you the ability to cancel the ticket if you no longer need the assistance. Down here, you'll also see an update of the workflow. Our status was changed from new requests to work in progress, and a technician has been assigned. If you feel that your technician would benefit having more information by attaching a photo or file, that is now possible in our help desk system. Let's go ahead and attach one to this file. We're going to select the Attachment tab next to Overview. Then we're going to select New. Once this pops up, we're going to select the gear icon, and we're going to browse for the attachment that we would like to add. Once we find the file that we'd like to add, we'll hit Open, and then we'll hit Submit. We'll enter a short description. Broken screen. And then we'll hit Save. This will add the attachment to your ticket so your technician has more information about the issue you are having. To review technician notes or add your own note, let's go to the Note tab. Once we click on the Note tab, we'll see that the technician has left us a note that says, "I will call you after lunch and help you fix the issue with your voicemail." From here, I can respond directly to the technician. "I will be at lunch until 2 p.m. Please come back then." Once I save this, the technician will receive an email with the update that I just provided. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of our new help desk system. One of the key benefits of this new help desk system is increased communications between the staff and the technicians, so we can get your problem fixed and get you back to work faster. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.